It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
Yes, sir, y'all. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. Look, y'all, we have a early look. I did not open this box. It just got in from Go. I got off work. I'm like, yes, sir. I gotta go ahead. I gotta open up this box because I want to see what these jokers looking like. Now, these are set to release in September. They were slated for August. At some point, I saw that on the internet, but these are supposed to drop on September 23rd. And I must say, the Jordan 1s, they not going for much right now, man. It's crazy how times have changed. I mean, I remember at one point when you wanted to grab a pair of early Jordan 1s, them Jones might be going for like $700, $800, $900, and then, you know, they'll drop down to like $300. And they were sitting around, a lot of Jordans were sitting around like $260 and higher. Some were going for a little bit less, but hey, it is what it is. For me, being an Air Jordan 1 lover, I just feel like this is the perfect time to cop shoes. Especially sometimes it doesn't hurt if you want to pick something up early. If it's not too much and you feel like, hey, it might be a hard cop for you in certain areas. So paying to play sometimes, even if it's just like a couple, like, you know, 30, 40 bucks over retail of what they're probably going to go for, it's not too bad. Now, these are set to release September 23rd, $170 suggested retail sticker. We got a pair of shoes right here. I will give you guys my thoughts and opinion on these tomorrow. I got these. I actually bought these before they released, but they actually released last week, but I just got them today. Again, this video is not sponsored by GOAT, but I do go to GOAT to shop for a lot of sneakers, y'all. So with all that being said, man, let's not waste no time. Let's go ahead and unbox these jokers, man, because I am dying to see what these joints look like. Now, we've seen a couple shoes by Jordan brand that came out similar looking to these, but in the same silhouette, but a low top. Then we had a couple Air Jordan 4s that came out with the same type of work on these, man. And right here, y'all see it, man. We opening this joint up. We're gonna check it out together. We got the red and black Jordan box. Woo, that's it, man. That's it. Y'all know the normal paper. Now, the official name and colorway of these joints, man. Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white border blue, size 12. Now, these are a men's size 10.5, y'all. Yes, sir. Yo, I can't wait to see these, man. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna check these bad boys out together, y'all. Matter of fact, on 3, man. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn this thing right here. Woo! Look at that thing right there. So, of course, you know, we got the little GOAT sticker right here. We got the verified little thing right there, man. And y'all see the tissue paper, man. Let's go ahead. Woo, crispy, man. That junk look like some Versace or some shit. You feel me? Yes, sir. There we go, man. We got these women's denim Air Jordan 1s, man. And I must tell you, man, hey, let's go ahead, man. Let's set this all up real quick. And we in there. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, y'all. Yo, these is fuego. And I'm talking about fire flames, y'all. I must be honest with y'all, man. Your boy really like denim stuff, man. I really do, man. And these right here, of course, you know, Air Jordan 1 silhouette, getting this touch. We saw some low top joints. You know, they ain't have Nike Air on them or nothing like that, but these is fire. You feel me? I'm really rocking out with these, and the toe box is nice, man. Now, as you guys can see, you get a pair of red laces on these, and you get the little Jordan right here. You got a Jumpman on that joint, man. Hey, these joints butter, and I must tell y'all, GOAT ship these joints fast. I don't know, I got like the little Chinese, little Nike, official Nike joint right here. Maybe these already released over there. I didn't do a lot of research on these. I just wanted to unbox them. Price was right on them, man, and I had to pull the trigger, man. Yo, and the tongue, yes, sir. The tongue is nice and plush. I like how they did the red trimming on this shoe, giving it the small little hits of red right here on the inside. You guys can see we got the little red insole with the gold Nike Air in there. Yo, fire. fire. Red laces that go with it. I ain't putting no red laces in it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to keep it nice, and I'm gonna have to keep it just elegant with the white laces, man. I was debating whether or not I'm gonna leave the Jordan on here on this part, because then over here on this side you have the Jumpman right there, and then you have the Jordan right there on the left pair. I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think. These joints is bussin'! Yes, sir. They bussin', G. They bussin', man. I had to do the unboxing for you guys so we can check these bad boys out together. September 23rd is when they're slated to release. Stay tuned to the channel, man. We just did a quick little unboxing today. I'm gonna try to go ahead and knock the other video out and start working on that one for you guys and do the whole on-feet and full detail review over those. We got another pair coming in tomorrow, and we just trying to get back in the rhythm of things. Like I told you guys, I was gone. I was on vacation for 2 weeks. I'm back, still not in school yet, so I'm able to give you guys some good content. It's another pair of shoes, man, that I wanted to get, and that's the Chanel joints, the red joints. They red and white, and then they got the little, you know what I'm saying, the corduroy on the tongue with the little fluffy type vibe right there on the check. I wanted to get those, and I hope I pronounced those right, but I want to cop those too. Those are set to release, I think, on like the 20th of this month or something like that, one of those days. But before we roll up out this video, let me grab another shoe real quick. So I just had to do it, man. I wanted to grab my Levi 4s out, man. And like I said, I'm really digging the vibes of the denim, man. I like the denim. I actually like this light denim a little bit better. You know, I feel like in due time these will age and people will be like, man, I wish I copped these. But I must tell y'all that the inner and outer panels of this sneaker are feeling very nice. I ain't even checked to see if it's no aglets on the white laces, which is not. But y'all, Jordan Brand, let me know what y'all think about when they do like the denim type vibes. You know, we've seen now they're moving towards doing some more canvas type vibes and stuff like that. I like what Jordan Brand's doing. I know sometimes you guys see sneakers and we're like, yo, is these folks running out of ideas? Because sometimes some of these look trash. But I must say, man, my first thoughts and opinions of unboxing this shoe right here, definitely Big Fuego, man. Big Fuego Fire Flame. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy DaRetroWizKid. Y'all can follow your boy over on TikTok at DaRetroWizKid as well. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all already know how we rock. Until the next video, peace, love, in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros, and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little one to rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, dead stressed and I don't even try. Take all my Jordans and forces away from me and watch a young nigga still kill it. Alexander McQueen on my toe, you know I'm ill with it, deal with it. Hypebeast can't keep up. They take a picture, then they take it back, and I really don't give two fucks. I'm putting you down, just telling you facts. I'm putting you down, just telling you facts.